See, food is something very personal to everybody, and I clearly understand everybody has their opinion about how it should taste. Most of the uh, taste buds, everybody gets it from their home, you know. And when they're little kids, their grandma cooked something probably sweet, which they enjoyed very well. It could be a cheesecake, it could be a key lime pie, it could be anything, cookies. It psychologically registers in your mind. Then from then on, everything you compare when you go out to eat reflects on what you had, what is instilled in your brain. That becomes good. So now this is where you hear, oh, this cheesecake is not good, this key lime pie is not as good as my grandma makes, or this is not. So I understand that, and it is also with the food, everybody has their opinion, and everybody eat at least 2 or 3 times a day. There's nothing in life you do 2 or 3 times a day, but you do eat and drink. So it gives a great pleasure when I go talk to the people, when I see them enjoying. And it has always been a culture in this world, from even ancient civilization. Food is part of gathering. So food becomes a very important role in everybody's life, and it is very much more important here. First course is white bean soup with truffle sauce, pancetta bacon dust, and chives and chive blossom. It has a little bit of shallots, garlic, and leeks in the soup, and then in the beans you cook them in chicken stock with all these ingredients. Then you blend it so it comes like a paste. Then you dilute it with chicken stock, and then it's ready to go. Okay, first I have the pan in a low heat. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Then I add the shallots, garlic cloves, just a couple. Then the leeks. Then I add the white bean with a little bit of water, and the chicken stock, and the thyme, fresh thyme. This I will take it out when I'm blending. This takes about an hour and a half to cook. So this is how much it will reduce, and then we take the thyme out, and now this is ready to be blended in a blender. Once it is blended, it will look like this. Then we add that, and now the soup is ready to be made. And some chicken stock. To the consistency of a soup. Then we dish up the soup. Yeah, go ahead. Put that thing in the middle. That's the truffle sauce. And that's the chive blossom. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Then this is the truffle oil. And chopped chives. And this is the pancetta dust. Voila, that's the soup.